Whether you're ahead of the holiday game or doing some last-minute shopping, Hair.com has got you covered for gifts for everybody on your list. One gift everybody on our list is receiving this year is the Redken Oil For All. This multi-benefit oil leaves hair feeling shiny, smooth, and defrizzes for a perfect holiday shine. For your work Secret Santa or grab bag gift, this Pureology Color Fanatic multitasking leave-in spray is the perfect gift for anybody on your list. It gives them 21 essential benefits and can be used as a leave-in or simply to protect their hair from heat before styling. For a gift worth the splurge, this L'Oreal Professionnel Steampod is guaranteed to make anyone on your list smile. It uses the revolutionary power of steam for 91% less damage and 2 times faster styling. When you don't know what to gift, these minis by Matrix are a must. Brass off shampoo, conditioner minis, and a miracle creator guaranteed to make any color fanatic on your list a happy camper. Everyone has a fitness fanatic on their list. Give them the Invisible Dry Shampoo by Redken. It's a great stocking stuffer as well and leaves their hair feeling fresh post-gym or workout with no residue. For the self-care queen, this Kérastase hair mask, Nutritive Masquintense, is the holy grail of hair masks, guaranteed to leave their hair feeling moisturized and shiny. Now you can't forget the guy in your life. You definitely would want to gift them this Redken Brews holiday gift set. It's adorable, looks like beer, and is guaranteed to leave them groomed so you don't have to.